Hello everyone, Pam here. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're not really going to do any yoga poses. I thought it would be neat to introduce you to someone really special to me and also to show you the end result of the building of the studio. So I've decided to divide this video in part 1 and part 2. I'm going to be honest, the studio is not really fully finished, but it's pretty much there. The floor is set, the walls are up, walls somewhat painted, we have windows in, we have doors, but there's still a lot left to do, and I thought it would be neat for you to see the process of how this came to be from the ground up. This is how it all started. I did say I was going to introduce you to someone super special to me. And today with me is Carlos, my husband. And I just wanted for him to be here and for you to see his face, just a little bit of interaction in between the two of us, and also to show my gratitude in front of everyone. And I'm saying this because I'm hoping a lot of people are going to watch this. Because he did this all by himself. Literally all by himself. There were a couple of people here and there that came in a couple of hours to help him pull some things, but honestly, he did this all by himself. So first of all, I want you to tell people what your profession is, like your real profession.
I'm a mechanical engineer.
And what was going through your mind when you... And what was going through your mind when you said, okay, I'm gonna do this all by myself, and maybe with no previous experience on building a small house, that you decided it was gonna happen?
I'm a mechanical engineer, I can make whatever I want.
That's cocky. But no, really, how were you able to figure out things on the way? What do you think was the most challenging thing that you encountered when building this small studio?
I don't know, you can find everything on YouTube, so...
Just like this video?
YouTube everything, yeah.
Okay, so YouTube was your biggest tool. Can you tell us the size of this studio?
It's 12 by 12. 7 foot tall, no, 8 foot tall.
Okay. Is everything custom made?
Yes.
Okay. What was your thought process as you were building the studio?
Ape, hammers, nail. That's it.
So as you can see, he is a man with few words.
There wasn't one. I just went to Google on how do you build something, and then watch some YouTube videos, and that's pretty much it.
And what was your inspiration?
You.
Oh. Thank you. I am very appreciative of having someone so handy at home and handsome. Yes. That was able to build this from scratch. I have no words for the gratitude that I have to be able to enjoy a space like this, where I can not only create content, but also do my personal practice and have all my friends and clients come in such an easy way. So one more time, from the bottom of my heart, I thank you. And I thank everyone who watched this video. Thank you so much for jumping into this channel. Don't forget to hit always subscribe and like the video. We will be happy to post part 2 whenever we are done beautifying the space. Namaste.